Asus has now officially confirmed the launch date of its next-generation gaming phone, the Asus ROG Phone 6. The ROG Phone 6 will make its debut on July 5th, and will likely be powered by Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. A few weeks ago, Asus had teased that the brand's upcoming ROG Phone 6 gaming smartphone series will be the world's first gaming smartphones to feature Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 flagship SoC. And today in June 2022, the company has confirmed that the ROG Phone 6 series global launch event will be held in Taiwan virtually on July 5th. The virtual launch event will be live-streamed online, and users can tune into the launch at 8 p.m. Taipei time, 2 p.m. Berlin, and 8 a.m. New York time. In the announcement posted on Twitter, the ROG Global account had also mentioned that besides launching the ROG Phone 6 series, the brand will also be announcing several new gaming accessories, and a set of new gaming headphones from the company on June 7th, which is great news for those immersed in Asus's Republic of Gamers ecosystem. The Asus ROG Phone 6 series is the successor to last year's ROG Phone 5 series, which consisted of 3 models in the lineup: the standard ROG Phone 5, the ROG Phone 5 Pro, and the ROG Phone 5 Ultimate. All the 3 devices were powered by last year's Snapdragon 888 SoC. This year, Asus is also expected to launch the ROG Phone 6 series in 3 models as well, which will be the standard ROG Phone 6, ROG Phone 6 Pro and ROG Phone 6 Ultimate, where all 3 devices will be powered by the same flagship Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC. The reason why the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC is so highly anticipated is that compared to the original Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, the new Snapdragon 8 Plus has both better performance and better power efficiency than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. By switching over from Samsung to TSMC, Qualcomm has improved CPU performance by 10% and GPU performance by 10% for the Snapdragon 8 Plus. Qualcomm has even managed to improve power efficiency by up to 30% for the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, meaning that the chipset consumes less power overall, leading to improved thermals and improved battery life, in addition to the performance gains that the new chipset brings. The Asus ROG Phone 6 is on the way. Over a year after launching the ROG Phone 5, Asus has now officially announced its plans to bring the ROG Phone 6 to the market as a direct successor in the vaunted gaming phone line. I am very grateful that you watched this video to the end. Thank you, my dear viewers. Take care of yourself and raise your smile up.